everyone! Welcome to Fun with Drawing channel. Let's do fun while drawing. Today we will draw Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. Do you also like Hello Kitty? Hello Kitty is a cheerful and happy girl with a heart of gold. Kitty can bake delicious cookies, but she loves Mama's apple pie even more besides cookies. She likes cookies, baking, and her best friend and twin sister Mimi. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Hello Kitty, also known for her cheerful, warm-hearted, and friendly personality. She loves making new friends and exploring the world with them. Hello Kitty is also very curious and enjoys trying new things. Her charm point is the iconic red bow on her right ear. In this video, I am going to draw two Hello Kitties. First, I am drawing with a crown and a heart bow. Now her dress, and after that, a necklace with heart. After drawing her legs and hands, first, Hello Kitty drawing is complete. Now I will draw second Hello Kitty with heart. First, I draw her face and bow. After drawing her eyes, I will draw a heart in her hands, after that her fairy wings. Woo, both! Hello Kitty's is looking so pretty now, it's start coloring.